Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner in green. This powerhouse has 37,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's got powerful pet hair pickup with triple action brush roll and scatter-free technology. The swivel steering makes it easier to maneuver around furniture and other obstacles. You can clean edges and corners with edge-to-edge cleaning, and the cleaning path width is 13.5 inches. You can also remove pet hair with the specialized pet tools, including a pet hair corner tool and a pet tool. The bottom easy empty dirt bin makes emptying quick and mess-free, and has a hose length of 6 feet. Bissell also has other models of pet-oriented vacuums that are well received as well, so check those out on the listing. Now let's check out a quick Q&A from the listing. How does this do with American Akita hair, which is very thick and fluffy and in large quantities? And the answer: we have 2 cats and 2 German Shepherds. The Shepherds have double coats and shed year-round. This vacuum does great with picking up pet hair. Nice. And now let's check out a review by my cat. What do you think of this vacuum cleaner? Yeah? Is it good? Alright then, there you have it. And don't forget, when you buy Bissell, you save pets. They donate up to $10 to the Bissell Pet Foundation for every pet product you purchase upon activation. The Bissell CleanView Bagless Vacuum Cleaner 2486, seen here in orange. You can also get this bundled with 2 extra belts and an extra filter, or the vacuum plus a hand vacuum. It's got 15,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Excellent. Stands at about 44 inches tall, and has one-pass technology with powerful suction and innovative brush design to clean on the first pass. The scatter-free technology reduces scatter on hard floors, nice, and onboard storage keeps specialized tools including the turbo brush and the dusting brush, the crevice tool, and extension wand close by while you're cleaning. The powerful multi-cyclonic system has lasting suction that captures and keeps dirt in the bin where it belongs. It also has a large capacity, easy-to-empty dirt tank which empties with the press of a button. A 25-foot power cord, 6-foot hose, and a 13.5-inch cleaning path. And let me share with you a quick question and answer. Does this have a HEPA filter? And the answer is it does have a HEPA filter, which is found below the canister. I took mine out and examined it yesterday. It's the model 1604130, and it's also available on Amazon if you need a new one. The Bissell Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum 2156A, seen here in green. You can also get this bundled with a dust mop or replacement filter. And Bissell makes a bag model in purple and maroon, so you can check out those listings as well. This vacuum has over 14,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. This dual action corded vacuum is 14 by 11 by 12 inches. The dirt cup capacity is 2 liters, and cyclonic action and powerful suction provide thorough cleaning. And no more bags to buy or change. You can easily go from cleaning carpets to hard floors with a flip of a switch. And this has a power rating of 9 amps. The dirt cup filters and post-motor filter help capture more fine dust and particles. And the filters are washable and reusable. The cord is 15 feet long for great reach while cleaning. And since this weighs less than 8 pounds, it's easy to maneuver with the integrated carrying handle. It also features an easy-to-empty dirt cup, multi-surface floor tool, crevice tool, dusting brush, an automatic cord rewind, and an airflow regulator. Now let me share with you a review from a verified purchaser called Great Purchase for Your Money. Okay, so when I got it, I was a little worried because of the size of the box, but it was all there. Very easy to put together. Comes with a few accessories even. This little canister has very good suction. Works amazingly. It's made more for floors and indoor-outdoor carpet. It does work on thicker carpet though, however you can't move the handle back and forth like a normal vacuum on thick carpet, so if you don't mind going one way with the vacuum and then switch directions. And if you are a hair shedder like I am, it will collect on the nozzle and you can pick it off without it getting all tangled inside the canister. So far, I love this vacuum. So there you have it. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. And in this case shown in teal, although you can get it in purple as well. Nice. This model is a tried and true flagship for Bissell and has over 12,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. It also has a 27-foot power cord which automatically rewinds for quick and easy storage. And the swivel steering makes cleaning around furniture and obstacles easy. Includes specialized pet tools like the Pet Hair Corner tool and the Pet Turbo Eraser tool. And now let's check out a review from Nancy S., a top contributor and verified purchaser. I never thought I would ever gush about a vacuum, but this little thing is great. First of all, you can't beat the price for the features. It's really easy to assemble out of the box. Just get a screwdriver to attach the handle and hook up the hose and you're done. I want to say that's only about 15 pounds, so while you can't pick it up with one finger, if you can handle a gallon of milk, then you'll find it nice and light. It propels itself really well on hard and carpeted floor, and I had no problems with it snagging or having a lot of resistance on medium to deep pile carpet. And cats love it. Right, buddy? And you're gonna love it too? So pick it up on Amazon Prime today and you get free shipping and free delivery.